ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും കമന്റ് ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. ഇന്നത്തെ പരിപാടിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നന്ദി.
Hi dear children, all of you welcome to our third session of English class. Today we are going to discuss about adjectives. So before moving on to our adjective, I want to say something to you that all of you keep a dictionary with you. If you do not understand any word meanings, you just look it up in your dictionary. Okay? All of you keep a dictionary with you. So, what is an adjective? I know most of you heard the word adjectives. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes noun or a pronoun in a sentence. That describe noun or a pronoun. Okay? That means in simple words, adjectives are describing words. Okay? For example, Sam is my friend. Sam is my friend. If I want to say more about Sam, I can say that Sam is a good person. Okay? If I want to say more about Sam, I can say that Sam is a good person. Okay? And also, I can say that Sam is a nice friend. Nice friend. I describe more. I give a little more information about Sam. Okay? You get it? You can understand that Sam is a nice person and also is a good person. Okay? Let's start with the paragraph and find out the adjective from that paragraph. Okay? It was a sunny day at the farm. Jaipal, poor Jaipal, had been working in the muddy garden since early morning. He looked up at the bright sun and wished he could go swimming in the big village pond. All at once, Jaipal had a wonderful idea. He decided that a quick swim was just what he needed. So he ran down to the pond and jumped into its sparkling waters. So this is the paragraph. So now we can underline the adjectives. We can underline the describing words in this. What is first sentence? It was a sunny day at the farm. So sunny, here sunny would be the adjective. Sunny. Okay. In the next sentence, we can see that poor Jaipal had been working in the muddy garden. Muddy garden and poor Jaipal. Here, poor, the word poor describe Jaipal. How is Jaipal? He is very poor. So, here poor is an adjective here. Okay, poor. Poor Jaipal had been working in the muddy garden. Muddy. Okay, muddy garden. How is that garden? Muddy. So, muddy is the describing word or adjective here. Muddy. Okay, since early morning. Okay, in the next sentence, He looked up at the bright sun and wished he could go swimming in the big village pond. Here, bright sun, bright qualify the sun, bright sun. How's the sun? Bright. So bright is the adjective here. And also big pond. What's the kind? What is the shape? What's the kind of the pond? That's a big pond. So big is the adjective here. All at once, Jaipal had a wonderful idea. He decided that a quick swim. Wonderful idea. Okay, here wonderful is an adjective. Wonderful. And a quick swim. He swim very quickly. Quick swim. He want to quick swim. So quick is an adjective that describe the swimming method. Quick swimming. So he ran down to the pond. Ran down to the pond and jumped into the sparkling waters. Sparkling waters. So how is the water? Sparkling. So sparkling is the adjective here. Okay. Now let us discuss about 3 types of adjectives. 3 types of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity. Third one is adjective of number. So, first one, adjective of quality. Let us discuss that. Adjective of quality. What is that? Adjective of quality express the kind or a quality of a person. What kind, what quality of a person or a thing. Okay? What kind of person or what kind of thing that. To describe what kind or what quality of that person or a thing is. For example, Neetu is a brave girl. Neetu is a brave girl. Here, we all know that brave is the adjective here. That means brave describe the noun Neetu. Okay, that qualify Neetu, brave. That is the quality of Neetu. She is very brave. So, brave is an adjective here. Some more examples used to show these qualities. That adjective words are kind and also honest. Bulky means heavy. Good, nice, beautiful, smart. Second one, adjective of quantity. These adjectives tells us how much amount of a noun or a pronoun is. Okay? This type of adjectives tells us amount. Okay? For examples, I need some money. I need some money to buy a car. So here, some money, some. The word some is an adjective that shows, that tells the amount. Okay, that tells us the amount, sum. Like that, we can use these words also. Look this. So, here are some examples for adjective of quantity. We can use the words like enough, little, many, more, some, all, like this. Okay. Third one is adjective of number. These adjectives tells us how many people or a thing in a particular sentence is. That means how many. We can count one by one. We can count that. But in adjective of quantity, in the adjective of quantity, we can't count that. We can only say that enough, more, some. Okay, like that. But here, adjective of number, we can count one by one. Okay, for example, there are 5 mangoes in a basket. There are 5 mangoes. 5. We can give number to that mangoes. Okay, we numbering that. So, here 5 is an adjective. We can use these type of numbers as an adjective. Okay, that means it tells us how many. We get the answer how many. So the answer 5. So that is an adjective here. Adjective of number. Like that, 25 mangoes, 20 mangoes, 1 or 2. All these are adjectives that tells us how many. Okay, in short, we can say that adjective of quality answers the question, what kind? What kind? For example, Sita is a clever girl. Sita is a clever girl. Here we all know that clever is an adjective, clever. Clever answers the question, what kind of girl? What kind of girl Sita? Clever. So, adjective of quality answers the question, what kind? Okay, some more examples here. Yellow butterfly. Beautiful girl. Smart boy. Green parrot. Big heart. Round ball. Okay, I think you understand adjective of quality. Next one, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity answers the question, how much? How much? For example, I ate some rice. I ate some rice. So, here we all know that some is an adjective because some answers the question, how much? Okay? Some more examples here. There was enough food for everyone to eat. enough. The scientist had sufficient information. Sufficient. She ate little rice. She ate little rice. Little. Can I have some water, please? Some. All these underlined words answers the question, how much? How much? So, all these underlined words are adjective of quantity. Okay? So, adjective of quantity answers the question, how much? Okay? Third one, adjective of numbers. Adjective of number answers the question, how many? How many? For example, he gave me 10 books. He gave me 10 books. 10. Here, 10 is an adjective because 10 answers the question, how many? How many books? 10 books. So, 10 is an adjective here. Some more example. 2 cats. She ate 2 mangoes. The 3 fish swam quietly. 3 fish. Okay. In the adjective of numbers, it not only represents the cardinal number like 1, 2, 3 like that, but also in the ordinal number, it represents ordinal numbers. That means the position or order. It represents position or order like first, second, like that. For example, he was the first boy. He was the first boy reached the stadium. He was the first boy reached the stadium. First. Grandma arrived on 5th day of the summer vacation. 5th day. Grandma arrived on the 5th day of my summer vacation. 5th day. 5th day. So, this also adjective of numbers that shows position or order. Okay? I think all of you understand this session. See you in the next class.